All right, all right, all right. Here we go. Microphone not available. Oh, okay, there it is. I said they tripping. So my microphone not available. I'm just getting stuff set up, guys. Oh boy. All right, all right, all right. Let's look at this amazing market right here. It was a good day today. Once again, can't complain at all. The market did exactly what I thought the market was going to do. Even though I said be careful, I said be careful with the market. I wasn't careful in the market, but I'm a different breed though. Uh-oh. All right, here we go. Pretty brown eyes. You know I see it. What's going on YouTube? We are live on YouTube. Yes, sir. I had to diversify, you know, had to be able to be seen on multiple platforms because TikTok started tripping again and boot everybody off. I got to build my audience other places. I still got Instagram, of course. Oh, hold on. Damn, my thing was messing up. How's everybody doing? We are in the building, just chilling, just kicking it here. You know what I'm saying? Doing a little recap. Let me get this mic out my way. I don't like the mic all in my face like that. Yeah, but we're just doing a recap. It was a pretty good day, if I say so myself. And of course, I'm going to say so myself because I did really well. Jacob, what's going on, man? Yeah, I did pretty good today. It was a lot of news today. It was a lot of news, but hey, trading is what I do. You just got to know how to move around the news. That's all. You talking about the 2 o'clock? No, I'm live just so I can see what happens at 2 o'clock. I don't mess around with FOMC. I got my money and got the hell on. I got my money and said, I'm good. Thank you kindly. Patrick in the building. What's going on? And that's exactly how I teach. Get your money and go. Enjoy your life. Hey, that's what I'm saying. Hey, $50 a day is $1,000 a month. You got to keep that in mind. You got to look at the long term when it comes to trading. $50 a day is $1,000 a month. And I guarantee you, if you go ask your job for a raise, they are not going to give you $1,000 raise per month. I guarantee that. So $50 a day is good money in the market. FOMO, what's going on? And you'll make more. You'll start to make more the more you trade, the more you look at these charts. You'll get more money, so don't worry about that. But $50 a day is $1,000 a month. It is not a job out there that will give you $1,000 raise a month. They might give you $1,000 raise a year. Where do I get the charts? These are NinjaTrader. I trade on NinjaTrader. What's up? Is it Uncle Nay? Uncle Nay? What's up? How you doing? Real closer in the building. What's going on? Yeah, that's why I like NinjaTrader, because NinjaTrader is simple. You know what I'm saying? It's easy to understand. They don't have a bunch of stuff going on. It's like your chart. You open up your chart, you got your charts. Ain't no need to have all them little digits and dials all on the side. Ain't nobody got time for all that. Kyle, what's going on? Was that Hope K Trades or Hopic Trades? Is it Hope K? Hope K Trades? Welcome. Chazzy, what's going on? Yeah, but today was it was a good day. It was a lot of news going on, which, you know, I tell you, if there's a lot of news and you're not sure, trade micros. But I wouldn't not trade. You know what I'm saying? You want to trade micros, trade sim. You want to trade in every type of day the market has to give. That way you are well versed when it comes to trading. Hey, bring me on. I don't mind being on YouTube. I'm on YouTube right now. I got my YouTube running. Yeah, but I don't mind doing YouTube. Easy. Say you need some help with trading. Well, that's what I'm here for. My course is right there. Right there. MHTacademy.com. MHTacademy.com. Not only is my course affordable, but it's also accepts Afterpay, Klarna, you know, payment plans. So you ain't got to kick out $350 at one time if you don't want to. Always dropping jewels. Got to drop the jewels. You know, there's no gatekeeping around here. You know? But yeah, my course is very affordable. Very affordable. You are not going to find another course at that price. Now, you might find some people that's giving away free information, but I don't know. You take that with a grain of salt. You can take the free information with a grain of salt. I don't know. But I put marketing money behind my course. I probably spend more money marketing and doing affiliate marketing with my course than I make off of the course, actually. You know what I'm saying? Because I use Teachable. Teachable is almost $200 a month alone. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I just want to be able to get the information out there for people that are beginners to really understand what the market is and learn how to make money. You know, if you're trying to learn how to make money, I don't want to charge you an arm and an ass to learn how to make money. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to charge you an arm and an ass to get some money. You know what I mean? I wanted a decent price for the person that's buying the course and a decent price for my time. You know, so yeah, it's plenty money to be made, plenty money to get. There's no stress, there's no rush. But with all the things Trump doing, y'all better learn how to get some money. Because that boy making all types of changes. And we don't know the long-term effects of those changes just yet. We don't know the long-term effects of these changes. You know what I'm saying? So while the getting is good, go ahead and learn about this market. So just in case those changes start biting us in the ass, we got a little bit of backup for it. Tank market. Hey, look, that's even more reason to learn how to day trade. Because whether it's bullish or bearish, we gonna get our money. We make money whether it go up or down. It does not matter. They said the NASDAQ lost a whole bunch of money. Guess what? I don't care, because I made money on the way down. When NASDAQ was dropping, I was popping. So we do not care. I'll show y'all when they were like, NASDAQ lost a bunch of money. Here's the money right here. This is the daily chart. Look at that big ass drop. This is what the market did. When they were like, NASDAQ lost a bunch of money, that was this big old drop right here. And guess what? I don't care, because I made money on the way down. I was on that mug, right? North Carolina. Go ahead and raise it up. I took that ride on the way down and made a couple G's, baby. I do not care whether it goes up or down. Our job is to figure out when it's going to go up or down. That's all you got to do. Learn enough about the market so you know when it's going to go up or down, and you just act accordingly, baby. That's all. Took that run with 10 minis. I know that's right. God, dog can get that money, boy. We make money whether they go up or down. It does not matter. We do not care. They be like, oh, the market's going to crash. So what? Guess what? I'm going to get that money on the way down. And when the market rebound from the crash, I'm going to get that money on the way up too. God dang it. We trade over here. We trade over here, baby. Hey, bruh, if you was up around the Asian market, get your money. Get your money, boy. We do not care. We are trying to get a bag. You know what I'm saying? You got the president talk about all this stuff he about to change. I don't care. I'm just going to find a way to make money from what he changed. That's it. We can't stop him. We can't stop the government from doing what the government do. All we could do is find our, look at 2 o'clock. Look at the 2 o'clock moving and grooving. That's why you don't mess around the market around FOMC. Look at that candle going crazy. Bull trap sweeps, they taking people lunch money right now. This is why you don't trade the FOMC. They taking people lunch money. Give me that lunch money. Taking all y'all lunch money. Y'all better stop playing around in this market. Yeah, it's been a great week. Oh man, I had a great week. And it ain't even over yet. And you say you trading now? He said, I'm trading FOMC right now. Hey, you could definitely get some accounts approved real quick. You can either blow the account or get it approved. Hey, if you want to go for it, go for it. There's a lot of money moving right now. What do I think about TNXP? I don't know. I don't know nothing about that to be giving no advice on it. I'll tell you that much. I only can talk about what I know. And what I know is these futures. Hey, Mrs. M, what that bot do for you today? He said, I don't blow accounts, sir. Hey, what that bot do today? That bot got me some money today, boy. And I manually traded also. Like I made my money before 1040. The bot got me all my money before 1040. And then I placed a couple manual trades after the bot did his thing and made some more money. More money, more money. That's money all over the place. Penny stocks. Can you just give me a little info? I don't know nothing about penny stocks, brother. I don't know nothing about penny stocks. Now, if you want to know about the NASDAQ, the S&P, the Dow Jones, I got you. I got you. But I don't mess with penny stocks. I ain't got time to be playing with no pennies. And put another trade. We did 760 on the eval. Yeah. Hey, boy, look. That damn bot ain't no joke, boy. That mug go get to a bag for you. Hey, that's cool. Hey, Chris, that's cool. 105 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away, okay? Because the more accounts you get, that 105 gonna double up, triple up, quadruple up. What do you think worth investing in? Starting last week, I made 300 so far. Well, you don't need my advice. But I would say Dow Jones, NASDAQ, the S&P, those are the safest ones. Yeah, Apex $85 to turn that to a real account. Yeah, that's always good money. But somebody asked me to explain the bot. The bot is just that. It's a bot. It's an algorithm that trades for you. You punch in a couple settings. I'll give you some settings to start with, but you just punch in a couple settings. You hit activate, and watch it get active. You activate and let it get active. It makes you some money. You know what I'm saying? Nothing is 100%, but it's pretty damn accurate. I would say that. You'll get a bag now. That's for damn sure. But don't get too greedy with the bot. That's all I can say. Don't get too greedy with it. Learn what you're doing. Pay attention to what you're doing. Write down the settings that work good and just use those settings till they don't work. We only have till first to use the bot trial. So we're trying to pass the eval to Hey, I didn't even know you could use that mug on the eval, but I'm so glad you can, because I'd be tearing them damn evals up. Do you think we could hit WNOG on NASDAQ? Hit what? What is that? Do you know they have 90% off? Yeah, it's only on wealth charts though. It's only on wealth charts. I don't want to use wealth charts. They gave me three free ones on wealth charts. I haven't even traded them damn things. I ain't even trade them. Oh, new week opening gap. Oh, I was like, I don't even know what that means. What's the point of prop trading? You don't have to use your own capital. You don't have to use your own money to make that. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure the market's going to shoot back up eventually. I mean, it's not going to go down forever. I know. You could use a dime and copy trade. I just don't like wealth charts. I just don't like wealth charts. Hey, bro, gotcha. This is the second day you asked me about the damn Palestinian flag. What is up with you in Palestine, man? I answered this question yesterday. Every scarf is not Palestine. It's not Palestinian. This is Afghanistan. I was an Afghanistan war veteran. I deployed to Afghanistan for years. I bought these scarves in Afghanistan to block my face from the dust and the sandstorms. Stop asking me about some damn Palestine. Jesus, man. But if a trader's profitable, why not use their own money? You obviously don't understand money, man. Rich people don't use their own money. Why should I? There's not a rich person out there that will use their own money. They get a loan, they invest the loan money, and when they make money from that investment, they pay the loan back and they put the rest in their pocket. Same thing. If you use a prop firm, you don't have to use your own capital. Why would I put 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 of my own money in here when I could get a prop firm that will give me money to play with? Don't use your own, if you don't, especially if you don't know what you're doing, do not use your own money. They have prop firms for a reason, just like they got bank loans for a reason. Use other people's money to make money. Yeah, I do like their copier. I'll do it tomorrow, okay? I'll do it tomorrow. I'll trade my wealth charts. I have 15 now. I had 15. I lost one because I made a mistake, simple mistake. And I just got approved a new one yesterday. So I'm back up to 15. I'm back up to 15, y'all. On my way to 20. If you're new to trading, you don't have to worry about copy trading just yet. But I only trade, I only have one prop firm, which is Apex, and I have 15 accounts with Apex. I mean, I just don't like the wealth charts. I don't like the way the charts look. I don't like the way they trade. They got all that stuff on the side going on. I'm just so used to NinjaTrader, but I'll trade them tomorrow. I got 3 free accounts. So I mean, they're there. How much does that make you monthly? Why are you counting my pockets? Are you the feds? No, but I do pretty good. I do about Anywhere between 10 to 20. You know, it ranges. And I don't trade all 15 accounts every single day. You know what I'm saying? I might trade 5 this day, 6 tomorrow, 10 one day, 3 another day. I don't trade all 15 every single day. Prop firms are fun because you got to think, if you have a prop firm, say you lose $1,000, it's not your money anyway, so you don't feel so hurt. But if you put $1,000 of your own money and you lose $1,000, you're gonna feel that. You're gonna feel that $1,000 run up out of your money, out of your pockets. But when you have a prop firm and you lose $1,000, you only paid 30, 40 bucks for the prop firm. So it don't feel the same. It don't hurt as bad. Yeah, analysis paralysis. That's true. You could use TradingView. Yeah, you can. I use TradingView for when I used to do options. Yeah, I will. I'll do the same thing. I'll do that tomorrow. What would you do if you're a beginner? Pay somebody to teach me. That's what I did. I was a beginner at one time. And as a beginner, I paid someone to teach me. I didn't try to learn on my own. I didn't watch a bunch of YouTube videos trying to figure it out. I immediately paid somebody. Yeah, you could use your own money later on down the road. But I'm not using, it's too easy. It is way too easy to get prop firms and make money with a prop firm. Why would I put my own money when I'm good at passing prop firms? I'm good at trading prop firms. I pass a prop firm with no problem. What's going on, Shane? How you doing? Yes, psychology is very important. You got to have the psychology. Exactly. You get a prop firm, you make money, you withdraw the money, you put it in your bank account. Once again, you use a prop firm, make your money, get a withdrawal, put that money in your bank account. You don't have to put your own money and play around with your own money. The prop firm is basically saying, hey, you don't even got to worry about no credit check. Just prove that you can trade and we will give you money. Why would you not want to do that? How do I learn Forex? I do not teach Forex. I teach the futures market. I used to trade Forex. I have nothing against Forex. Forex is still a good way to make money. I just don't do it no more. Trading the futures market, way more lucrative to me. And I like the way the futures market moves. The futures market is way more calculated than Forex. Forex is still kind of wild with it. You know what I'm saying? The futures market is a little more robotic. You know what I'm saying? Like it's like boom, resistance, down, support, up, resistance, support, resistance. So it moves very smooth. What if I'm not emotional? I don't know. What if you're not? Oh, no, no problem. No problem. No, it looks the same. Forex and futures look damn near the same. A candlestick is a candlestick. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna change nothing. But I do like futures better. I can say that. And I've traded crypto. I've traded Forex. I did options. I did crypto mining, crypto farming. I did everything you could think of damn near in the stock market. And futures just been better. But if you want to learn, MHT Academy, mhtacademy.com. Not only do you get a self-paced course, you get access to my members only Discord. I practice with you every Saturday, and you get an initial one-on-one, and I help you download all this stuff. I help you download NinjaTrader. If you want to get a VPS, I help you get a VPS. I help you set up your VPS. I help you connect your Apex or your prop firm accounts. I help you through, I hold your hand. You will not be left alone. You get my course, you got me too. I help you the whole way. And that's the thing, like when you're trading with a prop firm, it's not as emotional because if you lose money, you only paid 50, 60 bucks for the prop firm anyway. You know what I'm saying? You might have paid 85 to activate it. Okay, we in the hole 130 bucks, right? If you lose the money for your prop firm, it only cost you 130 bucks. You didn't lose $2,000 of your cash. You might have lost 2,000 of Apex money, but you only risk 130 bucks of your own money to make unlimited amounts of money. If you get a prop firm and you pass, there's no limit to how much money you can make with that prop firm. So you kick out 50, 40, 50, 60 bucks, however much it costs for the prop firm account. You pass, you pay 85 to activate it, and you can make as much money as you want to make. You just got to baby that account, build it up, take your time, and make money. Is what for? They say, is it free? Is what free? I can bring you students. Oh, well, Mark, I have an affiliate program. I have an affiliate program with my course. So with my affiliate program, everybody that you sign up with your link, you get 10% per person. So you'll make 35, 40 bucks for everybody that you sign up with the class. So I do have an affiliate marketing course. I mean, I do have an affiliate option with my course. Losing 100K is nothing to me. That's cool. 100 losing 100,000 prop firm is nothing to me. I'll tear them prop firms up. I really don't care. My course is only 350. One time payment, 350 bucks. I accept Klarna, Afterpay, whatever. Yeah, I never lost 100K. Put it like this. You sign up for the affiliate program. I do have it to where if you bring 3 people, if you bring 3 people that pay for my course through your affiliate link, you do get free access to the course. The course is 350. One-time payment of 350. I accept Afterpay and Klarna. That's right. It's all about discipline. Your win rate, and that's the thing, right? People be like, "Oh, there's no way your win rate is that high." This is the secret, okay? The reason why I had a high win rate is because I don't try to make $1 million overnight. I have a high win rate because I only try to get a couple hundred a day, okay? I only try to get a couple hundred per account. That's way easier than try to make $800 in one trade. I only try to make 200-300 per account. But that's why my win rate is a lot higher because I don't try to make $10,000 per trade. Okay, but I already mentioned it. The course is 350 one time. Yes, I'll show you how I traded. I'll show you how I first learned how to trade. My course is built for beginners. You're not going to find another course that price. I guarantee you. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I didn't build a course so that I can make more money from my course than I do trading. Okay? Because some of the proceeds that I make from my course goes to St. Jude charity. I give away some of the proceeds from my course. Because I was kicking money out my own pocket for charity. So I was like, if I create a course, I might as well give the money that I was going to give out my pocket. I might as well take that from the course and give to St. Jude that way. And actually, I'm actually giving more to St. Jude through my class than I did out my own pockets before. So I really didn't build a course so that I can make more money from my course than trading. I just wanted people to have a better option to learn. Because I spent a lot of money to learn how to trade, okay? I spent a lot of money to learn how to trade. Over trading is what 90%. Yeah, that's why when people are like 90% of traders fail, of course 90% of traders fail because 90% of traders don't know how to trade. A lot of people just literally, they watch YouTube and they think that they know how to trade from watching a couple YouTube videos. And when they get their ass whooped, they sit there and be like, oh, trading is a scam. No, you just don't know how to trade. Yeah, that's the reason why 90% fail, because that 90% are trying to learn for free. You can't learn for free. I don't care who you are. Learning for free is never a good option. They don't give you all the information you need when it's free. I don't mind you asking at all. I've been trading the stock market overall since about 2015. I've been trading the futures market since about 2019. That's why it was easy for me to really, it only took me 4 months to get my first account approved into a payout. And that's because I came from crypto, I came from Forex, I came from options. So I already had a good idea about the stock market. So when I started doing the futures market, it was more like, let me understand how NASDAQ and the S&P move. But it wasn't hard for me to become profitable and consistent because I was already in the stock market. Bro, don't pay for courses. First of all, you spelled courses wrong. But if you don't think courses are worth it, why are you here? Stop getting in my live telling people what not to do. That is horrible information. He said, put the effort into research. If you teach yourself, it's going to take you a hell of a lot longer to learn this. Go ahead and put the time and money into research. Go right ahead, buy the books, watch free YouTube videos. A year from now, you're still going to be trying to get approved and get a payout. I know plenty of people that try to teach themselves, try to find the freest way to learn. Them mugs still over there trying to get a payout. When I first decided to learn how to trade the stock market, I immediately paid somebody. How much is your course? Here, please, show me the way. I do not recommend teaching yourself. You thought he said corpses? I use, this is NinjaTrader. I use NinjaTrader to trade. Took you 4 years and 50K. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Have somebody teach you. I'm not saying you can't teach yourself. But what I'm saying is when you try to teach yourself and you don't have that guidance, it's just going to take you longer, right? Time is very precious to me. Time is very precious. I'd rather kick out the money, have someone teach me, and I'll go from there. But if you want to learn yourself, it's going to take you a lot longer. There's nothing wrong with doing it that way. It's just going to take you longer. That's all I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? If you want to teach yourself, go right ahead. My course is only $350. Y'all act like I'm asking for $3,500. It's $350. You're going to waste way more time and way more money than $350 trying to learn all this by yourself. I can guarantee you that. He said, I might be one of the few. Go right ahead. You know what I'm saying? But that is up to you. I am not here to force people to do anything. I'm just saying it's going to be a hell of a lot longer teaching yourself this stuff. Let me turn this down. All right. I always get somebody ask me, am I profitable? That's why I keep this close. I keep, hold on, let me zoom down a little bit so you can see it more. That's why I keep this little story close by so people can see it. Right there, it says, this is Apex. This is Apex YouTube. It says, William talks to Gates Adams about his recent payouts from Apex Trader. That was 2023. That was 2023. No, you can't see my trading portfolio. I don't just have a trading portfolio ready to show online. Like, my trading portfolio, what are you talking about? You want to see all my investments? You want to see my, like, why do you need to see a whole portfolio to learn how to trade the futures market? That never made sense to me. I'm not here to educate you on how to invest your money. You know what I'm saying? Only time I would show my portfolio is if somebody wants to learn how to invest in stocks and bonds and in 529 accounts and Roth IRAs. If I was trying to educate you on that, yeah, I'll show you my trade portfolio because I invest in a lot of shit. But if you're just trying to learn how to trade the futures market, my portfolio is not going to prove how good of an instructor I am. You know, you see what I'm saying? No, there's nothing wrong with your due diligence, but some information is not going to help you determine if I'm a good teacher. You know what I'm saying? Good Lord, a year-to-date spreadsheet? Man, these Exactly. Only a financial advisor could tell you how to invest. Like, I'll have my portfolio if I was a financial advisor. I trade the futures market, and I have a course to show people how I do it. If you want to learn how to make money in the market, I can show you how I did it and show you how to make money. I am very consistent. I never had Apex deny me a payout because I am very consistent with my trades. I don't trade. When you look at my trading, you won't see me make 10,000 one day and $50 the next day. I am very consistent with my trades. Yes, I do. I have some of my students are probably in here. I have several students. But yeah, this was an interview that I did in 2023 about the withdrawal that I get from Apex. So I've been making money from Apex. And let me pull it right here and let me see. And I'm in a trade group. I'm in a trade group that I trade with every morning. I don't have a spreadsheet, but in the group that I'm in, we share our results. In the group that I'm in, we share our results every day. We share our results every day. And as you see, I post my results every day in the group. These are my results every single day in the group, all greens. Okay, I post my trades every day in my group. These are all posts that I made in the group. You know what I'm saying? And then there's me just talking and chopping it up. So yeah, I post my results every day in the group. You know what I'm saying? I have no reason to lie to y'all. Smash and grab, baby. Look at that. I get my money. Look, $8, $12, $155, $246, $525. Bruh, these are all separate accounts. There's no need to cap in anything. Money is made every day, people. And there's plenty money out here to make. So there's Chris right there. She's a student. You know what I'm saying? Great course for beginners, self-paced. You know what I'm saying? I'm always available if you have questions. We practice every Saturday together. Good Lord, man. You asked for a lot. I just showed you a whole YouTube interview. I have a student right there saying, hey, the course is great. She's a student. I just showed you my profits, recent profits from the past week. And you still want year total and broker statements? Whatever, man. You ain't about to buy nothing. If you need all that damn proof, good Lord, man. What are you, the feds? I teach support and resistance, supply and demand. That is my trading style. That is the style that has made me consistent income. I do not work a 9 to 5. Yeah, you know, IRS, good Lord. What is it, FCC? FCC won't let me be. And your name Lee Trades. You don't need my class anyway. If you already trade, you don't need my beginner's class. You just asking just to ask a bunch of damn questions. Yeah, like a portfolio is not going to show you nothing at all. I can show you a portfolio. It's not going to tell you a damn thing. It's just going to show you all the things that I'm invested in. That's all a portfolio is going to show you. No, I'm not defensive. It's just you asking a bunch of damn questions. You know, I don't mind question, but you're asking the same question over and over again. Like, show proof. Here's an interview. Show proof, students. My student was like, yeah, course is great. There's proof. Show some more proof. All right, here's the money I made the past week. Show some more proof. Like, God, no, man. I'm not showing you no more proof. You are not going to buy the course, obviously. Yeah, it just wasted time just asking a million questions. And I showed you so much proof. You still need more. Good Lord, man. Yeah, you can show a paper trading P&L. You know what I'm saying? Like that is the group that I trade with every day. I have no reason to lie to them. They don't care about how much money I make. The people in my group make way more money than I do. Like the people that I trade with Monday through Friday, there's guys in there that make 20,000 a day. So they don't care about my little $400 or $500. We just post our results so we can see each other's see each other's grind and see how much better we're getting. That's the only reason why we post our results. To join the class, inbox me your phone number. My course is MrHAcademy.com is my course. If you wanna day trade with the group that I day trade with every day, you'll have to inbox me your number. The person that runs the trading room, John, he gives you a phone call, see where your head is at with trading. If he feels as though you're good enough to be in the trade group with us, he sends you an invite. But the trade Monday through Friday with us, it is $300 a month for that. But my course is only a one-time fee of $350. And you get access to my Discord group and everything. I got you. I got you. I'm not gonna leave you stranded. The course is self-paced. It's not really a time limit. You're gonna be watching the videos more than once. You know what I'm saying? Like you can't watch a video one time and get everything you need to get. Look, bro, look, Lee Trades. If you don't believe me, don't believe me. I really don't care. And no, you can't pay for an interview. That interview was with Apex, who is a prop firm that I got all my accounts with. I can't lie to them about my withdrawal. They can see it. They can see my withdrawal. So if I sit there and be like, I withdrew $10,000 from you guys, they're going to look at the paperwork and be like, no, you didn't. You did not withdraw that kind of money from us. They can see all that. So no, you can't pay for an Apex interview. That's not how it works. SMB is a Wall Street prop firm, and they charge way more. Yeah, they do charge a lot. And so, like, this is the thing. My course is built for beginners. Why are you asking for all this proof if you're not a beginner and you're not going to buy my course? Why ask for all this information if you're not going to buy the course? Because obviously you think you trade good enough to where you don't need a beginner's course. So what is the purpose of asking all these questions if you're not a customer? Get out of here. Enjoy the live, chop it up, talk about how good of a trader you are, give some tips and tricks, and enjoy the conversation, brother. But you asking for all this damn proof and you ain't even gonna buy the class. You already a good trader. You already profitable trader. Why do you need all these questions answered? It doesn't make any sense to me. Those questions are for someone that's interested in spending money to learn. If you are past the beginner's stage, it's no reason for me to send you all this damn information. I trade with people. I trade with my students every weekend. We spend an hour, sometimes 2 hours, going over the market, practicing, showing you guys how to be a consistent trader and build a nice cushion in your trade accounts. No, it's not $300 a month. You don't listen to shit. You don't listen to a damn thing. You asking all these questions and didn't hear nothing I answered. You keep charging people $300 a month. I never said my course was $300 a month. Get out of here. Get out of here, goofy. Keep charging $300 a month. Ain't nobody say anything about my course being $300 a month. Damn goofy. But you get goofy people like that in your live. They're like, I trade the stock market. Let me see if he knows everything I know. Get your ass up out of here. No, it's $350 one time. If you want to trade Monday through Friday in the live trading group, that's not my group. The live trading group is $300 a month. That's not my group. That's just the people that I trade with Monday through Friday. But that's not my group. I am a customer because I'm a good trader, but the guy that runs the trade room, he's a much better trader than I am. He charges $300 a month to trade with him live Monday through Friday. My course is just a one-time $350. with free soda. Yeah. Now the group that I trade with, now them boys be getting to the money. I'll show you those results. I'll show you their results too. I don't care. They don't care either. I'll show you their results too. Y'all think my little $500, $600, $700 per account is a lot? Bro, that ain't nothing. Hold on. I'll show y'all what kind of trading they do. Look. I'll show y'all. This the main dude. This the main dude. This the main dude right here that runs the trading room. This is per account. Though he has several accounts. That's what he does. I'm good. I'm a good trader, but I'm in the trade room because them boys make money. And that's where I'm trying to get to. That's where I'm trying to get to. I could teach y'all how to get where I'm at, but I'm trying to get where they're at. You know what I'm saying? And it costs money to be there. It costs money to make money, people. Yes, I pay him $300 a month faithfully because the kind of money he make, I'm trying to get there. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, you get the course, you get an initial one-on-one to help download and connect everything. And then every Saturday, I go live and practice with all the students every Saturday. You know what I'm saying? If you have questions, I go live every day. I go live where you can ask questions. So yeah, I got you. And yeah, that 4,000 is a light day. You know what I'm saying? So I trade with people that make way more money than I do. And if you want access to that, I'm telling you, that's $300 a month. My course is just $350 one time. Learn as much as you want. But if you want to start trading with us Monday through Friday, that you got to pay him $300 a month. But he gonna show you how to get that bag, boy. I tell you, he upgraded my game tremendously. Does John usually have a profit target? Yeah, he has a profit target. His profit target is just a lot higher than mine because he's been trading and making way more. He said, I'll start with you, sir. Yeah, start with me, get in there. Yeah, $300 a month is really not that much compared to the stuff that you learn. You know what I'm saying? I make $300 in one account because of the trades that he shows us how to take. I'll make $300 in one trade Talking about some 300 a month. I make 300 in one trade in that group. Take my money here, 300. Faithfully every month. No, well, it's not necessarily that he does more than 20 points. He just does more contracts. That's the thing about trading. If you want to make more money, you don't necessarily have to get more ticks in the market or more points. You just have to add more contracts. No, you get the first one-on-one call, which I help you set all this stuff up because it can be confusing. You know, downloading if you want to use a VPS. VPS just gives you the means to have gaming level laptop information so that you can run multiple accounts. So I help you set up your VPS. I help you download NinjaTrader. I help you connect your prop firm accounts. I give you a quick tutorial on how to use NinjaTrader. So you get all that in the one-on-one. You know what I'm saying? But it's a lot of stuff into trading. So I don't want you to just buy the course and be like, good luck. You know what I'm saying? I help you out. He has way more. John has way more money to risk. But that's the thing. Once you build a nice cushion in your accounts, you can make way more money because you're not scared of losing anything. You know what I'm saying? Because you got a cushion. Always have a cushion in your accounts. Yeah, tell him, Chris. Hey, look. You be straight. You know what I'm saying? You gonna get this work. You gonna learn how to get up in this market. Now, I can't make you be disciplined. You know what I'm saying? I can show you how to build discipline, but at the end of the day, the discipline is still on you. You know what I'm saying? Being patient is still on you. I can show you ways to build patience and build confidence, but at the end of the day, the mentality is still on you. I can just teach you the strategies that I learned, and I can show you some of the things that I figured out in my time trading. But at the end of the day, it is the mental side is still up to you. You know, no matter, I could tell you every strategy I learned, and you can still be a bad trader if you don't have the patience and the understanding of the market. Yep, I have a Discord. You do get access to my Discord as a student. Because once you're in that Discord, you have access to me, and I can't give people free access to me like that. You know what I'm saying? The whole reason behind me learning how to trade and make money is so that I can quit my job and be home with my son. You know what I'm saying? Because when I quit my 9 to 5, my son was 1 year old. He's 4 now. He'll be 5 in May. Go to mhtacademy.com or mhtacademy.net. Either one, I think is Afterpay and Klarna. You could do Afterpay and Klarna if you want, or you could use debit card, credit card. Don't matter to me. But I try to give as many ways to pay to make it as easy. The course, I made it affordable because I want people to learn. I honestly want people to learn. I mean, some of the money that I make from my course goes to St. Jude. You know what I'm saying? Like some of the payment that you pay goes to St. Jude charity. No, when you go to MHT Academy and select payment plan, you could be put on a payment plan which is Afterpay and Klarna. And actually, Afterpay and Klarna is a lot cheaper than $100 every 2 weeks, and you get instant access to the class. What are you talking about, Connor King? Ways to pay do make it affordable. Because if you could pay Afterpay, Klarna, if you could just make monthly payments or pay every couple weeks, it makes it easier to afford something. So there's several ways to pay. Connor King. Afterpay and Klarna are ways to pay. Debit card, credit card are ways to pay. It depends. You might have to have some kind of credit, but it is a lot easier than getting approved a loan or to get a credit card. But it's Afterpay, it's Klarna, and I want to say it's another one that might be available. But you know, it's just different ways of paying it. Exactly, Chris. A lot of courses cost way more than mine. And if you want to pay those higher price courses, by all means, go right ahead. I'd rather you pay whoever you feel comfortable paying. If you think a $2,000 course is going to teach you more, go right ahead. Doesn't really matter. Bobo say he learned 3,500 to learn nothing. Hey, look, I kicked out a rough estimate. I probably paid maybe $5,000-$6,000 in total to learn how to trade. Honestly, I probably kicked out about $5,000-$6,000 to learn what I know. You know what I'm saying? So I kicked out a lot of money to learn this stuff. You know what I'm saying? So a course for $350 shows you right there. I'm not trying to make a living off of a $350 course. I'm really not. Yeah, exactly. Like people have kicked out a lot of money to learn something, and some of these classes don't really like. Even the first class that I paid for, the first class that I paid for, it was worth it. Don't get me wrong, it was worth it, but it wasn't beginner friendly. So I had to do a lot of outside work to really understand what I even paid for. See, you see what I'm saying? Like the first course I paid for, he didn't have a vocabulary. Like in my course, I literally have a vocabulary of what that shit means. When people like go long, go short, you know what I'm saying? FOMC, you know what I'm saying? Like support, resistance. I have a table of content. You know what I'm saying? Like I have a vocabulary. When my first course didn't teach you the basic shit. So I was in there pretty much. I paid for I wouldn't say advanced, but it was a mid-level course to advanced level, and I'm a beginner. So I was lost for the first couple videos I watched. You know, so the course was worth it. It's just at that time, I was so new, I was so wet behind the ears, it took me a lot longer to understand what the hell I was looking at. You know, so I built my course with a beginner in mind. Now, even if you're not a beginner, I can still teach you a lot of stuff, but it's geared for beginners so that you can get the course, learn what you're doing, and start making money. Because that's at the end of the day, that's all we want to do is make some damn money. I don't care if it's $50 a day. I don't care if it's $50 per trade. Learn how to make some money. Learn as much as you can about this market so you can capitalize on everything that's going on. Yeah, but as I said, I trade with people. Not only do I teach you, but if you feel as though that you understand the market, you got good at trading based on what I teach, you got an eval account is now approved. If you want to join the live trading group that I'm in, I can give you a link so that you can potentially join the live trading group that I'm in. But if you're still learning how to trade, there's no need to get in a live trading group. There's no need to pay money for a live trading group if you're brand new and haven't even learned how to trade yet, because you're going to be in that trade room for no reason. You're just going to be sitting there staring at our screen trying to figure out what the hell we talking about. So there's no need to kick out, $300 a month if you haven't learned how to trade yet, because you're just coughing up money and you're still trying to figure it out. And my friend, I consider him a good friend. My good friend John that runs the live trading group, he'll tell you if he does a phone call and he feels as though you don't know how to trade, he's not gonna give you an invite to the group, no matter no matter how many times I send you send the information to him. If you reach out to him directly and he gives a phone call and don't think you know how to trade yet, or don't think you are ready to be in his room, he'll send you to me. He'll be like, hey, get this course first, learn the basics, learn how to get 50, 100, 200 per trade, and then come back and you might be able to get in here. Yeah, have somebody have some walkthrough. yeah, that's really about trading. He said he ain't even teaching family. Family don't even get free education. What you talking about? Yeah, get you 2 accounts. Get 2 accounts, you know what I'm saying? Jump in the group. And it's really a relaxing group. You know, at the end of the day, it's like I can't control the price of every damn thing, okay? I can control the price of what I offer and what I teach, but I have a bot. The bot works really good that I partner with. So I partner with Gridmaster and to provide a bot. And with my discount code, he gave me a huge discount for my students and people that go through me. A huge discount. The John's Trading Group. John was like, look, if you say they good people, I'm willing to give them a phone call and see where they're at, and they could join my trading group. You know, so I don't just offer a course. I offer other things outside of my course. I can't control the price of them, but I can try to get a better deal and offer that to people that follow me and trust me. You know, but I want to offer people plenty arsenal so that they can be good traders. Yeah, I mean, I still got some family members that see the money I make and still don't want to learn. I got family members that are like, yo, you make some good money. But I'm like, do you want to learn? Nope, not at all. Like, all right, whatever. Love my family to death. But trading is not for everybody. I mean, anybody can learn how to trade, but trading isn't for everybody. Yeah, you got to want to learn it. Because if you don't want to learn how to trade, I could give you all the free information in the world. It's not going to help you because you don't care to learn. But if you want to learn how to trade, hey, look, I'm here. Pop 1450 on NASDAQ, learned in 1 month. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Good job. Let's cheer for that. Get to the bag, baby. Get to the bag. But like, that's the cool thing about it, right? You get in the market, you learn how to trade, you get good at learning how to trade. And if you want to build a course and teach people how to trade, cool. Build a course and teach people. Hell, I'll help you build a course to teach people. I don't care. Because I've had some of my old instructors have a problem with me teaching people how to trade. They had a problem with it. They was like, you're teaching people how to trade for $350? They was like, why would you do that? You know, one instructor that I had tried to bring what's the name to him? Trying to say that I was on what's that damn thing is? An agreement. He was like, you know, you signed the agreement, you know, that you can't teach the strategies that I teach. I looked at him, I said, bro, that NDA was over 3 years ago. You think the stuff that I teach now is the same shit I learned 3 years ago? You really think I haven't learned anything in 3 years? Say, if you don't get your ass off my live, if you don't get up off my live, bruh, you can't tell. First of all, if I paid you for education, you can't tell me what I can and can't do. Ain't nobody gonna tell me what I can and can't do anyway. If you want to tell me what I can and can't do, you better be, are you willing to fight me for it? That's all I'm saying. If you think I'm gonna stop doing something because you said stop doing it, you better be ready to fight me. That's for damn sure, because you ain't gonna make me do shit. You can ask politely, and I'll politely tell you to get the hell up out of my face. But if I paid you for something, you can't tell me what I can and can't do with it. I paid you for that. Just like if you pay for my course and you want to turn around and teach what I taught you, I don't give a damn. It's 5 billion active users on social media. You want to give it away for free? That's your problem, not mine. Exactly. Like if you pay for college, is the college going to tell you you can't teach nobody what you taught in what you learned in college? No, I paid you for that information. I could do what the hell I want with it. But I don't teach. The thing is, I don't teach what they taught me because I learned my own stuff. I took what they taught me. I add my little own razzle dazzle to it, and I put it back out there. Finally passed your funding account. Oh man, somebody that passed the funding account. Yeah, boy. Get to the bag, get to the bag. See, look, whether you're a student of mine or not, I want everybody to win. That's what it's about. It's about everybody getting to this money. Because once you learn how to trade, you will understand why they don't teach this in school. They don't teach trading in school for a reason. But you're right. God is great. God made it able for me to learn this stuff. God gave me the patience and the strength to keep going while I learn this stuff. Now I can sit at home and chill. I sit at home and chill, bruh. I ain't got to go nowhere. The only place I have to go is pick my damn son up from school. That's all I got to do. Get my son from school and he chilling. You know what I'm saying? But my whole reason for doing this was so that I could be home and present. Because as an electrical engineer, I traveled for work. As an electrical engineer, I was in the airport 2 to 5 times a week. I was in the airport. There's times where I caught a flight. I caught an early flight in the morning, flew all the way to New York, did a job, and was home by 5 p.m. You know what I'm saying? I stayed in the airport. And I was like, Lord, I can't do this too much longer. Baby on the way, man, bills to pay. I got up out of that thing. I had to go. You're right. You're right. It'd be too many millionaires if they taught this in school. Nobody will go to college. You said we used the numbers you showed yesterday for today on bot, but I want to do a trade on a bot for 75, lost 125. I don't know. It just that's the thing with the bot. Like from the data that I wrote down, I took 14 trades. I lost 1 trade out of 14. You know what I'm saying? So it's like it's not 100%. I mean, nothing's just 100%, but a lot of times, like the stop loss, it might go past the stop loss a little faster. You know what I'm saying? So it's a numbers game. But I know out of 14 trades, it only lost once with those settings. But the market changes every day. That's why you kind of got to watch the market and decide what time to click that button. But it moves the best right at the open. Did you get on the Trump trade? Talking about the Trump coin? Nah, I don't mess with meme coins anymore. And you can make a lot of money with meme coins, but I just don't deal with them no more. Oh yeah, the market was crazy. Oh yeah, the trades that I took today. Let me back it up. Let me go over some of the trades I took today. All right, hold on. This is where the market opened up at. Hold on. Damn, it froze up. Bam. Okay, here it is. All right, right here is the 930 candle. That red candle right here is a 930 candle. And dog, when I say it went down, it's going down. Meet me at the club. It's going down. Soon as the market opened up, timber. And guess what? We sold the market. See that? It went down. It closed. I caught the retracement and rolled it on the way down. That was the first trade. Let me zoom in for y'all. Let me zoom in for the one time. Let me back it up a little bit more. All right. So this is the open. This is the open. The market's opened up. Bam. I waited a little bit to that close. When this one opened up and the market went back up, I took a short at the open. I took a short at the top. Took a short right here. Boom. Took a short, went down. I waited for the market to, you see how this red line closes below this orange line? Once it closed below the orange line, I waited for a retracement. Okay, retracement are very important. I can tell y'all because these are old trades. It already happened. Boom, it's in the past. All right, so once the market closed below this orange line, see that? It closed right there. It closed, the very next candle opened up and went up. Once it went up, I sold the market right here on the way down again. So since today was a down day, all I did was sell at the retrace. The market went down, it retraced, I sold it. Boom. It went down and closed. When it came back up, I sold it again. Look at that. When it closed down here, this yellow line is another level. It closed below that yellow line. Look what happened when it came back to the yellow line. Boom, sold, went down. I just look for sales. That's all I did today. I looked for sales. Let's move it down a little bit more. Let's move it down a little bit more. It did the same thing all day. You could have just waited for retracements and sold. Retrace and sell. That's why you mark up your levels, because y'all know what I teach. Once resistance is broken or support is broken, support turns to resistance. At one point, this orange line was support. Once it closed below it, it was resistance. It resisted, went down. Resisted, went down. Once it closed below it, this yellow line was support. Once it closed below it is resistance. It went to it, resisted. Went to it, a little bit above, resisted. Went above, look right here, resisted. That's all it does. Support and resist. This line right here was support. Once it closed below it, look, resistance, bam. Went down, came back up, resistance. Went back up, resistance, resistance. All that, down, down, down. That's all I did. I show y'all how to mark your levels. Once you mark your levels, you just watch how the market moves around those levels. I knew today was a down day because the daily candle, I'll show you on the daily candle. The daily candle is red, so I knew most likely it was a red day. And that's what the market did. And you just look at the market and you take advantage of the movements. And it went down so fast. Yeah, and that's the thing. That little green line, you still could have made money. Look how it bounced off of it. If you weren't doing the sale, when the market went down to this green line, you could have bought the market right here, right back up. You know what I'm saying? Today was a narrow range trading day. The market, this was the high of the market, and you can see where around the low area. Around the low area was right here. And the market did that same movement all day. Look at it. It did that movement most of the day. It stayed around that same level all day. But yeah, you could have bought the green line and made some money. Bought the green line right here, the market went up. That's some good money. But once it closed below that green line, look what happened. Resistance went back down. It was support, it turned to resistance. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Trading in the market is not as hard as people make it seem. The hard part is the people that try to make a bunch of money. You know what I'm saying? Once you learn what your average is, just try to make your average every day. If your average is $100, get $100. If your average is 500, get 500. Get up out of there. But if you just try to make $50 to $100 per trade, that is not a difficult task. The hard part is people want to make more money than they ever made in their life. If you make $20 an hour and you work 8 hours a day, that's about $160 in 8 hours. If you get in this market and you can make $160 in 20 minutes, why not? Why isn't that enough money? Why isn't that enough money? If you go to work and you only make 160 in 8 hours, what's wrong with making 100, 200 bucks in 30, 40 minutes? Why isn't that enough? Them $100 trades be so fast. Hey, hey, once you get good, that $100, boom, 100, boom, 100, boom, 100. Like you could get 100 really quick. You know what I'm saying? But most people make $20 an hour. That's the average. The average person makes about 20 bucks an hour. If you work 8 hours, that's about $160 a day. So if I could show you how to get in this market and make $100 within 30 minutes or less, why is that not good money? Your 9 to 5 don't even pay you that much. So be happy with 50, 100, 200. Get your money and be good. You're gonna make more. You're going to make more. You just gotta focus. You gotta learn a little bit more. But you're gonna make more money. Don't worry about that. But focus on how much can I make consistently. If you can consistently do $100 per trade, cool. Take 2 trades. That's $200 a day. If you can consistently make $100 per trade, take 2 trades in the market, get you 200 bucks. Because most people don't even make $200 a day at work. If you could get $200 within a couple minutes, be happy with that money and chill. Live to fight another day, build up your account, because you're gonna make more money. Yes, I use prop firms. I recommend people use prop firms. Do not use your own money while you're learning. If you're still learning, go ahead and use a prop firm. That's what they're for. And look, another level, this level down here is another level that I teach. This whole gray area is a level that I teach. Look how the market played around that level. I said, look at how the market played around this level. Yeah, you took a little heat. But the market went up. Boom. Look, it came down again right here. Boom, you could have took a trade right there. It went up. It came back down. You took a little bit of heat. Boom, market went back up. Look, every time it came, it went a little bit lower. But guess what? Boom, it still went back up. Look at this yellow line right here. That is a Fibonacci 50% of this whole little gray area. Look what happened when it got to the 50%. You could have bought the market. Boom, straight the hell back up. Bruh, I literally teach these movements. Look how the market went. This is a 50% of this big old gray area, this zone, this big old gray zone. The market all day was bouncing around the top of that area. You could have made money buying. Every time it came here, you could have bought. Came down here, bought the market. But when it finally broke that level, look, it stopped dead in its tracks at the 50% level and took his ass right back up. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, I'm telling y'all putting way too much work. You could have made a bunch of money on sales or bought the market. You could have went short or long. You just got to know what to read. But you could have went short or long. It was a narrow range trading day. Narrow range means just what it sounds like. The market moved in a narrow range. It wasn't big movements, big old movements up and down. It was a narrow range. The range was around this area and around this area. Once it broke that area, the range was down here and right here was the range. There's 2 different ranges. That's all the market was ranging right here. This is a 5-minute chart. It was ranging. You could have made money up and down, up and down. Once it broke that level that was ranging at, guess what? It dipped its toe down there. All right, the range changed a little bit. Now it was ranging right here. So it was ranging right here at first. Once it broke that range, okay, down the range was a little bit lower, but it still ranged. You could have made money. This is why we made so much money today, because we peeped the range and we made money at that same level until it broke that level. Once it broke that level, all right, it broke the level. Now we see the new level. Let's get to the bag, baby. Let me erase all this mess. I didn't mark the whole thing up. But yeah, trading is not that difficult, people. You just look at the levels and trade based on what you read. Trust the education that you get, and take advantage of the market. But yeah, I teach all that stuff. Jump on the big green candle. Jump on the big green candle. But yeah, it's so many ways to make money, man. We make money whether the market go up or down. All you got to do is find out where to place that button to go down, where to place it to go up. Once you figure that out, man, we was making money on the way up and down the whole day. And once you understand the basics and learn how to do this, that's when you jump in the group with us and it just ups your game. Yeah. I don't jump on the candles forming. I look at where the candle closed at and where it opened at, and I use that based on some of the levels I marked. And look, I tell y'all to swing high and swing low, right? One of the indicators that is a free indicator is called a swing high and swing low. Look at this blue dot is a swing high. The yellow dots are swing lows. Look how the market played around that area. Boom. The market came back to it. It front ran it and went back down. Look, this swing low was created right here. Look at what happened. The market finally came to that swing low. You took a little bit of heat. Yeah, you took a little bit of heat. So what? That's why you have an ATM strategy. You took a little bit of heat and it bounced back up. Look at this level. It was created right here. When the market came close to it, boom, right back up. The swing low is close to it at 50% Fibonacci. It's a confirmation that that's a good area. You could have placed a buy right here, or you could have bought the market a little bit lower. Either way, this is a nice little zone to place a trade in. You might take a little bit of heat. So what? Take a little bit of heat, go back up, go off. The market moves very calculated. It is not random at all. I marked these levels up before they happened. I didn't wait for it to happen, then I marked the level. I marked this level before it happened, because I knew if it hit that 50% mark of that zone, it normally bounces off the 50% mark, because the futures market is somewhat predictable. It moves a certain way for a reason. It is not random at all. It may look random to the untrained trader. If you're untrained, it looks random. It looks very random. But I believe me when I tell you, it is not random. And that's why I teach you how to trade on the closure of the candle. You don't have to trade while the candle's moving. Wait for the closure and see the high and low. You can see the candlestick tells you a lot of information. On this candle, right? Like this candle right here, this is red going down. So if it's red going down, the open is at the top. The market opened at the top. It went down. It closed right here. It closed down here, right? This is the low. This is the high. This is the high. This is the low. This is the open. This is the close. The very next candle, this is the open because it's green. It opened. It went up. This is the closure. Look what happened the very next candle. It opened, it went up, it closed. The very next candle, it opened right here, went down, closed. A candle gives you a lot of information. You know what I'm saying? And those wicks, when you see it wick down and come back up, this is a wick right here. That wick gives you a lot of information. That shows you that there's buyers down here. That shows you right here, when it came down here, it knocked it up there so fast, there's buyers down here. When the market came back down, guess what? The buyers were still there. It pushed his ass right back up again. The candles and the wicks tell you a lot of information. How you use that information is how we make money. Take that information, input that information and take a trade accordingly. That itchy finger, that itchy finger, boy. But you know what I'm saying? You either earn, because you know when you're making money, you're not learning, you don't learn a lesson. You don't learn when you make money, okay? You learn when you lose money. When you lose money, that's when you're like, oh, okay. But when you make money, you just continue to do the same thing that you did to make money. So you don't really learn when you're doing good. You learn when you get smacked. When that head get knocked off, you're like, oh, okay, I won't do that again. That's where you learn at. So you either earn or you learn. Because you don't learn lessons when you're making money. You just understand, I did this, it worked, I'm gonna do it again. You already know that lesson. But when you lose money, you're like, oh, I know what not to do now. So you either earn or you learn. So don't say you lost, just say you learned. It's still L, it's still L, but you learned, you didn't lose. But that's just part of the game. Part of the game, you're gonna lose, you're gonna make money, you're gonna earn or you learn. And that's the joy of the stock market, because you're gonna learn a lesson every day. Trust me, I've lost money, I've lost accounts before, but that's why I'm able to teach you, because I learned from those losses, and I try to teach people that what I learned from those losses. I got my head knocked off. Don't do this. This is what you don't do. And once you learn those lessons, you know when you did something you weren't supposed to. You damn near know immediately. It's almost immediate. You place a trade that you know you shouldn't have placed, you like, ooh, why'd I do that? Let me look for it. As soon as it turned green, I'm getting out. As soon as it turned green, I'm getting up out of there, because I knew I shouldn't have did that trade. Sometimes those accidents pay off, don't get me wrong, but you don't want to get in the habit of doing those accidents. You knew better. As soon as you took that trade, you knew damn well you shouldn't have did that. But you learn from it. You know, but if you take a good trade and you still get your head knocked off, just find comfort in knowing I followed the rules and the market still smacked me. That's okay. You followed the rules. You did what you were supposed to do. You followed the rules. You just happened to get your ass whooped. That's okay. You can't win them all. You know what I'm saying? But you're going to learn from it. As long as you follow your rules and follow the rules that you learned, if you lose money, you can't necessarily get mad. You did what you were supposed to do. The market just wanted to be an asshole that day. But they give it a cute little name. You know what I'm saying? When the market don't do what the market's supposed to do, and you follow the rules, they call it a bear trap sweep. That's a cute little name for that market didn't follow them damn rules. I did. I did what I was supposed to do, and I got smacked. They call that a bear trap sweep. They took your lunch money, and then they ended up going in the direction you knew it was going to go in the first place. They call it a bear trap sweep. It happens all the time. You know? But, you know, you live and you learn. You're going to get there. You're going to get consistent. But, guys, I've been here over an hour. It is 3:17. I got to go get my little man because he's going to be pissed off if I get there too late. But once again, I'll be live in the morning. I hope you guys had a great trading day. I hope you have a good trading day tomorrow. I will be live in the morning around 8:30, and I'll be live around 1, 2 o'clock as well. All right. See you guys later. Have an amazing day.